Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll be explaining the difference between the formation group's two allocation modes, fixed and flexible, and how they can be used to perform different functions inside the studio. Fixed and flexible are just two ways that we can allocate drones inside of our formation group. These can be toggled inside of the formation group's inspector menu under allocation mode for the entire group, seen here, fixed and flexible. But also, each of the formation elements also has an allocation mode, fixed and flexible, set here. The fixed mode allows the exact number of drones that you specify to be allocated to a certain formation group or formation group element, no more, no less. In this tutorial, I have two shapes, a circle and a grid. The fixed mode allows only the exact number of drones that you specify to be allocated to a certain formation group or formation group element, no more, no less. The flexible mode allows you to allocate any number of drones to a formation group or group element between a minimum and maximum value. An overflow shape is a great example of how to use both the fixed and flexible allocation modes in a formation group. For this example, I'll be using a grid as our main shape and a large circle as our overflow shape. Let's say that we have a drone show that contains 150 drones. In the show, we want to display our grid to the audience, but we only want the grid to contain 50 drones. We can select our formation group containing our two shapes and make our grid's allocation mode fixed at 50 drones. After that, we can go to the circle's allocation mode and select flexible with a minimum of 1 drone and a maximum of 150. After that, we can go to the circle's allocation mode and select flexible with a minimum of 50 drones. Remember, you can set your maximum number of drones to any number. Another great feature of the flexible allocation mode is the ability to scale the size of the drone show. For this, we have 150, but with flexible, we can scale this up to 300. For this example, we can see the drones are taking off from our launch pad, 150. And now we can see that the two groups are divided. 50 drones on the left are going to our grid, and the 100 is going to our overflow shape, the circle to the right. Now for our show, we can turn the lights of the grid on to display to our audience, and then have the other 100 drones turned off so they won't be seen, just displaying 50 out of the 150 drones. In this tutorial, I showed you the difference between a formation group's fixed and flexible allocation modes and how they can be set up and used in your own drone light show. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.